Hi, I'm from Trusted Plumbing and Heating. Today, I'll explain how to remove a garbage disposal from your kitchen sink safely. Remember, if you are not sure about any step, it is always best to call a professional. Tackling plumbing projects on your own can be rewarding, but safety should always come first. Before you get started, always turn off the power. You can do this by flipping the breaker for your kitchen or unplugging the disposal. Make sure no electricity is going to your disposal to avoid any risk. Double checking the power is off can often help prevent dangerous accidents. Clean everything out from under your sink so you have enough space to work. This clears the way so you can reach the disposal and pipes easily. Having a clear workspace not only helps you see better, but also keeps your tools and supplies organized. Next, place a bucket under the pipes. Carefully loosen the trap, which is the curved section under your sink, and disconnect the pipe from your disposal. Be ready for some water to come out. Having towels nearby will help with any spills that happen in this step. Support the disposal with one hand, then loosen the mounting bracket or ring that holds your disposal in place under the sink. Slowly lower the unit as it can be heavy. Always take your time and do not rush this step to prevent accidents. If the disposal is stuck, gently wiggle it free so you do not damage the sink or pipes. If your disposal is hardwired, you need to open the cover and disconnect the wires. Again, make sure power is completely off before doing this. Take a picture of the wiring setup so you can remember how to connect things if you're installing a new disposal. If you are replacing the disposal or going back to a regular sink, you might also need to remove the sink drink flange. This part helps seal the sink, so removing it properly is important. Installing a new flange will help ensure you do not have leaks once the job is done. Garbage disposals use both electrical and plumbing parts. If you are unsure or if you run into trouble, Trusted Plumbing and Heating can help. Our team can make sure the job is done safely and your kitchen stays in great shape. Thanks for watching. To read the full blog or for professional help, visit our website or call us. We'll take care of your kitchen plumbing needs safely and quickly. No matter how big or small the job, we are always here to help you in your home.